So here's how to split and extract pages in PDF document. First, you want to open your browser and then head to ilovepdf.com. Now you want to click on split PDF and then select PDF file. Now you want to navigate to your PDF file that you want to split. So now I have selected my PDF file. Now you want to click on pages and then select the pages that you want to extract. So if the page is going to be extracted, there is a green checkbox next to it. Now I want to extract all the files and then click on split PDF and wait for it to split them. Now click on split download or download split PDF. Now it should start downloading all the pages individually but zipped up in a zip file. Now you can open the zip file and see the PDF files individually extracted. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.